Hi guys, this is 2016 Toyota Hilux 1GD engine. So I show you in the quick video because when we start the car, this idling is going very high, going to 1200. So it's looking RPM very high in the morning or whatever. So when we start the car, you can see the idling going almost 1200. RPM is very high. So you can see one button in here. It's got idle up switch. So when we press it, this one, then idling going down. Okay. Press the switch, idling getting down. So they have a special switch for the idling up because that switch wasn't doing when the call start, getting RPM little bit high. That keep the high, the engine getting warm quickly. So that's for that the idle up switch. So you have to, in the morning you have very high RPM, you have to press that switch for the getting down. So thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.